how to add font to Shopify Dawn theme. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to add custom fonts into your website or your online store. So inside of the customized page, there is no actual option for you to be able to easily add a font. So if you want to have a custom font that is not available in or that is not part of the options available in the font settings in your Dawn theme, you're actually going to have to add it through code. So if you click on the three dots over here, click on edit code, and over here in this page, you will be able to see all the different codes that we have. This is everything for our website. So what you're going to do is you're going to filter files over here and type on CSS over here. You can see here we have our different CSS. So the main one that you're going to look into is the base over here. So in the base, as you can see, this is where you're going to see all kinds of designs or codes that will modify the font or the design of your website at least. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to then look for the font that you want to install. For example, Google Fonts over here. And you're simply going to click on Get Embed Code. So we have this one, and you will be able to easily get it over here as you can see. So we could have it as a link or an embed or import over here, and you're just simply going to copy the code over here. So for example, this one. So you're going to copy this code, and you're simply going to paste it on your code over here. So regarding to where you will paste it, so let me double check. Are you just simply going to look for the body, or you're first going to put in art area? So for example, over here, so this is the base. So we're simply first going to paste it over here, so it knows where it is or what it is. And then after that, you're simply going to look for the body, or which is this one over here. If it is not available, you're just simply going to type our body over here, something like this. And then you're going to choose the font name, of course, which is our Roboto over here, just this one over here. So let me copy this and paste this. There we go. Then simply click on save, and now you will be able to utilize the font that you wish to use on your Shopify Dawn theme. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.